If you want Claude to give you simpler, more direct answers, there's a really interesting skill you can add called Caveman skill. And in this video, I'll show you how to add it in just a few steps. First, open Claude and sign into your account. Once you're inside, look for the skills section. Depending on your version of Claude, the location may be slightly different. Now, find the option to add or create a new skill. This is where you'll add the Caveman skill. You'll need the Caveman skill instructions or prompt. Copy the full instructions and paste them into the skill setup area. Make sure you copy everything. Even a small missing section can change how the skill works. Next, give the skill a clear name. You can simply call it Caveman skill, then save or enable the skill. Once it's active, open a new Claude conversation and test it. Ask Claude something normally. You should notice that the responses can become much simpler. The idea is to make explanations easier to understand. It can also help remove unnecessary wording and complicated language. I personally like this kind of setup when I want quick answers without all the extra fluff. But keep in mind, Claude's menus and skill features can change over time. So if you don't see the exact options shown here, check the latest version of Claude.